let's bring in our next guest analyst, Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures in Chicago. Oliver, thanks for joining the show. Trading kind of heavy today. Just feels like kind of blah.
Yeah, blah's a great way to explain it. I think coming into today's session, there were some folks, market participants, who were maybe looking for a little bit more fireworks from this morning's weekly export sales data. If you recall, we had 4 weeks of data released due to the debacle via the USDA, but there wasn't really enough there to feed the bull. And so I think you're seeing some selling pressure come in, especially after the run that we saw following Monday's USDA report. So you're seeing some of these markets retrace breakout points. For soybeans, we're basically testing and holding that 50% retracement from Monday's move. That comes in at about 1446. That's kind of a must-hold line in the sand for us. A break and close below there probably takes the market back to the breakout point, which is closer to 1410. Now, there's obviously a lot of other market factors right now. We've got crude oil sharply lower. That's not doing any favors to the grain markets. And I think the outside markets are on shaky ground as well as we head into next week's Federal Reserve meeting, where I think the consensus is for a 75 basis point hike. But I don't think you can rule out a 1 full point hike. So there's just a little bit of uneasiness as we inch a little bit closer to that, especially following that hot CPI data that we got earlier in the week.
Yeah, we also had some manufacturing numbers today.